ओके
आमना मेरा क्यों दुश्मन बनाना चाहती हैं लोगों को?
ताबिश, अल्लाह की कसम मैंने आपको कुछ भी नहीं कहा। मैंने आपको सिर्फ ये कहा है कि लेट्स कमेंट ऑन दनानीज लुक्स।
हाँ,
तो जो पहली लुक थी उनकी
शलवार
एट
थी,
द लंदन
शलवार बलोची
प्रीमियर।
शलवार and the short kameez and the belt which was very beautifully embroidered and all of that. I feel the fabric could have been better. मुझे लगता है वो बहुत मोटा fabric था.
ओके
हाँ, but I think overall she looked good. But
आई थिंक
nothing to
शी
be
लुक
wow
नो
about.
आई थिंक इट वाज रियली गुड। आई
मुझे
डिसएग्री।
बस I like the shalwar on its own. Maybe instead of the I think the kurta, the waist, singed waist. I think there was something very disturbing about the look. But I like the belt a lot. So उसमें जो detailing थी, that was very nice. I love the shalwar on its own. There was something very disturbing in the entire look. And then the bubble ponytail, and then the rings, and then one needs to know where to stop.
That I completely
Yeah,
agree with.
you know, there was too much happening. And then Danani's personality herself. And then the way she talks. And the way she gives her opinion. That is amazing, you know. I think one needs to know where to stop. I think it should have been a little more effortless. It was too much effort in a lot of things. Overpowering personality, then overpowering silhouette, then overpowering styling details, you know. Side part hai, or you know, the panjangla and the choker and the nails and the ball earrings and the liner and the lashes and one two three. किधर नजर किधर रुके? जूती पे रुके, शलवार पे रुके, कमीज पे रुके, बेल्ट पे रुके, हाथों पे रुके, उंगलियों पे रुके, जबान पे रुके, आंखों पे रुके, बाल पे रुके, किस पे रुके? रुक नहीं पा रहा ना कहीं पे भी। अगर आप ऊपर से नीचे तक एक पर्सनैलिटी को देखते हैं जब, इट्स पॉजिटिव क्रिटिसिज्म, प्लीज डोंट टेक दिस नेगेटिवली। इफ यू आर नेगेटिव यू विल टेक इट नेगेटिवली, इफ यू आर नॉट then all the best. Okay, but I think where to stop is the whole idea. You know, look at the gloss. Was this gloss needed? Was this lash needed? Was this pink eye makeup needed? Was the hair looking good? Certainly tied nicely, but the hair color is looking like some brassy crop coppery type. सस्ता सा लग रहा है कुछ हेयर कलर। अच्छा, फिर अंगूठियां, तो फिर पंजांगले, तो फिर इसको ये इफ दे कॉल दिस स्टाइलिंग, देन आई रियली डाउट व्हाट इज स्टाइलिंग।